The fake Sony WF-1000XM5 Earbuds battery drain issue. To address battery drain issue with Sony WF-1000XM5 Earbuds, you could try ensuring that the charging case is fully charged. The earbuds are properly inserted and the charging connectors are clean as well. Ensure that the earbuds are properly inserted into the charging case. A magnetic holds from them. A magnet holds them in a place, but proper setting is crucial for charging as well. Next thing, what you could do is clean charging connectors. Clean the charging connector on both the earbuds and a charging case with a dry soft cloth. Any dirt or debris can interfere with the charging process as well. The other thing, you could also go ahead and open up your applications, and you could also go ahead and make sure to change any settings available. If nothing seems to be working out, you want to ensure your earbuds and Sony Headphones Connected apps are up to date to a latest version. After which, you could also try resetting the earbuds. If the battery drain issue persists, you could reset the earbuds using the instructions provided in the Sony headphone itself, and it should be able to help you out. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.